best thing about this is this. And once an animal's caught, they break free from the unit, and a lot of times they'll just stay in the ground. Set your unit. Safety nail in place so it doesn't go off on you if you accidentally hit the fan. And put it on a trail. You don't even have to stake it down. After it's in place, we're going to cover the pan in case the snow does melt a little bit. It works really well, but if the wind blows or you lose a little of your snow, that black will show through. Place your snare over the 4 vertical wires. About 1/4 of an inch, your white cover, put over the top. Cover the unit with snow pretty well. Just take a few branches to kind of go around to help place their feet within the snare loop. And maybe then that comes along. Once they're caught, it disconnects, and there you have it. It's like a bracelet around the leg. It keeps the circulation going.
Oh, that doesn't hurt at all.
Select-to-Catch is customizable, something that other snares are not.
Depending on the type of snare and the tension setting used, trappers can more accurately know what kind of animal they will catch.
This tension device is pretty much foolproof. You can set this for light or heavy, depending on the animal you want to catch. If you want to catch a bear, you crank it all the way up, and most things smaller than a bear is going to step on it and it won't go off. And also the breakaway device here, to where if you catch something that's bigger than what you're targeting, most of them will, if you got it anchored solid, they'll pop that open and get loose.